Good morning, class. 10. Today is the day first of Mathematics, chapter 14, Statistics. My dear student, here we have to learn mean by direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. After mean, you have to learn about median of ungrouped data as well as group data, mode of group data and ungrouped data and group data. Cumulative frequency distribution curve, or it's also called OGIVs, both the types less than type OGIV and more than type OGIV. Some hard word which we used in this chapter. First one is summation, that is also called sigma, means sum. Observations, frequencies, cumulative frequency, corresponding, representative, appropriate, concentration, succeeding, preceding, summarized. Moving forward, I have to discuss about mean or average. It is the sum of the value of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. If x1, x2, x3 xn are observations with respective frequencies f1, f2, f3 fn, then it means x1 having f1 frequencies, x2 having f2 frequencies, x3 having f3 frequencies, and xn having fn frequencies. Then mean x bar equal to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus plus fn xn by f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus plus fn. We can write mean as symbolically x bar equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi xi by summation fi I equal to 1 to n. We have to write all these in summation f1 x fi xi upon fi, where I is integer, where I is positive integer. Moving forward, I have to discuss class mark. Class mark, it is the formula is upper limit plus lower limit of same class upon 2. Once again, I am discussing mean x bar by direct method. Mean x bar equal to summation fi xi I equal to 1 to n by summation fi I equal to 1 to n, which is earlier in the previous formula. Mean by assumed mean method. Mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi di I equal to 1 to n by summation fi I equal to 1 to n. Here a is assumed mean. You have to take one mean from your side. We take in xi middle value. We have to take assumed mean in class mark. You have to take in general middle value. Here there is a one di. The formula of di is xi minus a, that is class mark minus assumed mean in each class. Mean by step deviation method. Mean x bar equal to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. Here two new terms ui and h. A is assumed mean, we take in xi. Ui equal to xi minus a upon h. H is upper limit minus lower limit, that is also it is called class size. If the data is larger, then we apply assumed mean method or step deviation method. Otherwise you have to find direct method. If method is not mentioned, then you have to follow any one of the three methods which you prefer. Consider the following distribution of a daily wages of 50 workers of a factory is here. Here up to there is a question. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using appropriate method. Daily wages in rupees 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180 and 180 to 200. Number of workers 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. Here you have to find class mark. You know the class mark is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So 100 plus 120 upon 2, that is 222 upon 222 upon 2 is 110. Moving forward, 120 plus 140, that is 260 upon 2 is 130. Then you have to add their interval. 100, 120, their gapping is 2. You have to add 20 in each. 130 by plus 20, 150, 170, 190. Then you have to multiply xi into fi and you have to write in this column. 12 into 110, 1320. 14 into 130, 1820. 150 into 8, 1200. 170 into 6, 1020. 10 into 190, 1900. So mean x bar equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Here summation fi xi is 7260 and summation fi is 50. So mean x bar equal to 7260 by 50, that is 145.2. Homework: solve question number 1, 2, 3 from exercise 14.1. Thank you class.